there's a question on the board as well.
Okay. So one second, let if it's on the board, let Daniel read. Daniel, can you read for us, please?
Daniel said he couldn't read today.
Oh, he cannot read. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Shalom Kurbachav, are we allowed to squeeze tea bag on Yom Tov?
Oh, that's even on Shabbos you're not allowed. Yeah, well, on Shabbos, of course. So what is it's a brilliant question. This tea bag is a filter. So it is it is a filter, right? And you squeeze in liquid from the salad leaves, exactly as we said right now. So it's like a challah. So we said example challah deep in wine. Everybody understand it. But same concept is a tea bag. So a tea bag has a tea, like that's a favorite part to suck this tea bag. when nobody sees, right? So you have this tea bag and a liquid tea trap inside, and you try to suck out or squeeze. Of course, it's not allowed. And just so you know, there is some misunderstanding of some people, though the Halachah is very clear. The Halachah is different between Ashkenazim and Sephardim. So Rabbi Zatzal, as I understand, so he allowed tea bags to be used in what is it? I think in a third vessel, right? So meaning you pour the water from your tea kettle, from your urn, right, into a cup, and then from that cup onto the tea bag, right, and you can make it tea. So that's according to Sephardi custom. According to Ashkenazi custom, it's not allowed. So it's one of the two exceptions. Okay, well, maybe there are 2 or 3 exceptions of the things that are going to cook very fast. Meaning, and one of them is a tea bag. So what I would suggest say, so if it's the temperature of the water is hot, like above Yatzalat Esbo, like when you handle the coal, so it's going to cook, even though it's a tertiary vessel or 10th vessel, that doesn't matter. So we don't do that. So Ashkenazi custom is not to use bags, so we do tea essence, right? So you prepare, you can put the bags. You have like this ceramic pot, right? A teapot. You put like, I don't know, 5-10 bags, whatever, and it's this liquid is very strong. So you put water and then add some this of the essence. There is no problem. You can drink the tea, whatever you want on Shabbos. So of course you prepare everything before Shabbos. Okay. Just make sure to do it in a third cup. Always. Why? Because if you have a very hot water, and this hot water may cook your cold tea essence. So, but when we say tertiary vessel, it does not apply. Right? So it's only can cook in the first 2 vessels. Okay. So meaning third, meaning first vessel in what the water was warm up. Second vessel you pour from that into a cup, and the third vessel in the second cup. That's a kli shlishi. Okay. So we say, so according to Ashkenazi custom, it's not going to cook in a third vessel. Okay. What else?